Welcome to Milak Online Tutorial, and before us is this question, the number 14 of the WASSCE November-December 2022 mathematics question. Now, and it says that a bicycle wheel of radius 30 centimeter turns through 100 revolutions. Find in meters the distance traveled. Now, this is just a simple question. What we are actually being told to do here is to find the distance this particular bicycle has traveled while turning 100 times. Okay, so in a nutshell, let me just give you an instance of what it is. Let us say this is the wheel of the bicycle. So radius from here to here is 30 centimeter. Now let us assume it's starting here, so turning 100. So from like this, it turns down. So starting point and ending point. So which means it turns like this 100 times, and we know that as it turns, it's moving. Okay, so definitely what we just need to do here now is let us now find the circumference of the circle, and we know that circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. Okay, so in this now we can now say 2 times 22 over 7 times 30, and we are told in meters. So 30 divided by 100, that is converting it to meter. So here is 1 2, you just bring 1 2, so this one now be 0.3 meters. So here you have 0.3. okay, all right. Now, so as such, now we move further by saying, so we say in this case here that since we've gotten the value of this, now the distance traveled here will now be the number of revolution gotten times the circumference of this wheel. So here we now say the distance traveled now equals 100 revolution times the total of this, which is 2 times 22 over 7, then times, let us put this in fraction, that'll be 3 over 10. Okay, so this we cancel this. All right, so we are left with this, and we know by division this will be 10 times 2 times 3.142 times what? 3. Okay, in further we can say this is 10 times 2 times the whole of this will give us 2 times 2, here we have 4, then 8, we have 2.6 times what? 3. Okay, so this again move further, multiplying by this is 12, remainder 1. Okay, 3 times 8 is 24 plus 1, 25, remainder 2. So 2 times 2 is 6 plus 1, plus 2, here you have what? 8. Then 3 times 6 is what? 18. Now take note, 10 times. So now multiplying this by this, just shift the decimal, cancel this and shift the decimal down. So here we have 188.52 meters. Alright, this is the final answer to this question. And if you love what I've just done, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and ensure you click on the notification button to be notified of every of my video that I will be uploading on this platform. Thank you and God bless you.